Hey everyone, it's Dr. Michelle Truong here. I'm your local optometrist from Vancouver, BC. Today we'll be talking about lid wipes. So lid wipes are pre-moistened wipes, kind of in this small package here, that you use to scrub the eyelids to remove any debris, dust, pollen. It also helps with any sign of infection or inflammation. Alright, so I have my lovely patient here, Jessica, and I'm going to do the lid wipes on her just to show you how it works. So first, before we do anything, we want to wash our hands first, okay? And then we're going to have one of these pre-moistened wipes. It should be one in each eye. We shouldn't be using the same one for both eyes. Think about it. If one eye is infected and you're cleaning it and you're going to clean the other eye, it's going to spread the infection. So we definitely want to avoid that. Other things before we want to get started too is make sure that you read the label. Sometimes they are not safe for use in pregnant or nursing women, and it's also okay for children over 3 months old. So what we'll do first is we'll open the package, and we have this wipe here. It actually folds out quite big, and what I like to do is I like to wrap it around my finger and kind of use it as like a scrubber is easier. So simply wiping your eye is not enough. We need to do little small circles as if you're brushing your teeth with your finger. So we're going to have our eyelids closed and we're going to use this here and do just one wipe first, okay, to make sure it gets nice and wet. And then we eventually want to do small circular motions along the eyelid margin. And it's good to do this for about a minute or so. And then we're going to look up and make sure that we're just not missing anything in the lower part. So be really careful here not to touch your eyeball, and do small circular motions as well. The other thing we can do is eyelids closed. If you feel you have a lot of discharge, then what you can actually do is just put the wipe on here for now and let it rest and let it soak. So that will help get some of the debris to soften up first before we actually go ahead and do the wiping. All right, so that concludes our video about how to use lid wipes. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, but also get in touch with your local optometrist if I'm not close by. See ya.